Wow, the view is amazing.
Panas banget.
But
Super panas.
hot.
Jadi membuat
Let's go down from here. Hope going back. Here? Or there?
here on the
Where do you think we are? Hello again.
Jadi kita lagi istirahat dulu. Soalnya soalnya panas banget. Panas banget. Kalau panas tuh bikin aku jengkel. Hot make me
Crazy.
irritated.
Nervous.
Jadi panas tuh bikin aku jengkel. Jadi dari awal tuh sebetulnya gini loh. Kalau kita kan udah beberapa kali ke museum. Nah, di antara museum-museum itu tuh nggak ada yang nanyain kita. Nah ini tadi nanyain kita. Terus kita nyari-nyari kan, karena kita nggak bawa kitas, papernya tuh nggak bawa. Jadi nyari-nyari dulu, bikin belakang kita tuh jadi antri. Mana ternyata kalau di sini tuh nggak bisa bayar pakai cash. Jadi bayarnya itu harus non cash. Jadi kalau misalnya mau kesini nih, itu siapin non cash. Jadi I'm curious bisa pakai Gojek atau apalah, atau bisa pakai bank langsung, tapi harus non cash, nggak bisa cash. I said that if you come here you must prepare like curious or something, because you cannot pay it cash.
Yeah, exactly. So
How about the payment system in Algeria? Aku nggak tahu
now
kalau di
everything
Algeria.
is cash.
Oh, kalau di Aljazair tuh semuanya
There is a
cash.
way of payment by card, but it's not obligation
Ada beberapa pakai
everywhere.
Kalau di negara Arab, in Arab countries, I think that it's even more difficult for credit card or something like that.
No, in my country is the most difficult. Some countries
Oh.
difficult, but Gulf countries, I think there is more facilities. They are like American system. Everything is card.
Jadi kalau di Aljazair tuh agak susah pakai kartu, nggak seperti kayak di Indonesia. Kita bayarnya gampang non cash atau pakai kartu kayak gitu. Cuman kalau di sana tuh masih semuanya serba cash, lebih banyak kan cash. So that everything is in cash.
Yeah, in Algeria everything is in cash. Yeah, they don't use a card, but very rarely.
Kalau museum, if museum in Algeria, is it expensive or cheap?
No, it's cost maybe 2,000, 3,000 like that maybe.
Museum di sana tuh harganya sekitar 2.000 sampai 3.000.
When I was studying the last time, I entered to the museum when I was studying in fine art school. So I paid around 2,000.
Ketika dia
Rupiah.
kuliah art waktu itu dia hanya bayar 2,000.
Yeah, maybe now because
Why?
everything increase in the price and everything is expensive everywhere. Maybe the prices increases everywhere. Maybe in Algeria now the museum maybe 5,000 or 4,000 double price maybe.
Mungkin sekarang udah naik semuanya, tapi kalaupun naik pun harganya cuma jadi 4.000 sampai 5.000. What museum are there?
Museum there is many they categorize, for example, the archaeological things alone, like stones, the history of Iran, Algeria. There is a side of animals, the natural museum, historical, the natural historical museum is contained, for example, animals, rare animals, was there in Algeria. There is a side for also artworks for some artists, very old things. There is a lot of things.
Jadi kalau museum di sana itu macam-macam, ada museum khusus seni, ada museum untuk binatang-binatang langka seperti itu. Jadi ya sama kayak di sini museumnya, cuman di sana lebih murah kayak gitu. Ini di atas kita tuh ada orang, jadi kayak show them.
They become,
Ya.
they go up and they disturb
Dan
us
jadi
now.
di sana itu ada tempat duduknya. Jadi ada beberapa yang di atas sana. Kita lagi nyari tempat berteduh, jadi kita di sini.
Yeah.
But do you like museum?
Yeah, I like museums, of course, but it's not like historical modern history like this museum.
Jadi kami tuh sebenarnya suka museum, cuman museum-museum kayak museum purbakala yang berbau sejarah, tapi bukan museum kayak museum perjuangan gitu. I said that it's not about the war.
Yeah,
But
we
it's
have a museum. It's about war. It's modern history.
Ya,
The museum, modern history museum.
Sejarah modern, tapi lebih ke sejarah.
And no one visited a lot. It's very few people who visited, and some of the new museums they close because no one come. And if they pay also 2,000, around like that.
Museum-museum kalau yang di sana Aljazair itu ada museum-museum seperti ini juga. Cuman nggak terlalu banyak orang yang di sana, orang yang berkunjung. Jadi kadang museumnya jadi tutup. Jadi orang nggak terlalu tertarik sama museum sejarah. Kalau di sini nih karena mungkin, tapi di sini karena dia setelah direnovasi kayaknya jadi agak berbeda. Kalau dulu tuh seingat aku tuh depan sana tuh jadi tempat parkir. So far I remember that this part, the front part, they use it for parking lot. So far I remember, but now they renovate everything and it becomes beautiful. Jadi bagus. Jadi kebanyakan kalau kesini tuh kayaknya sih untuk foto spot. Jadi I say that people he come here for photo spot rather than knowing the history of Indonesia.
Of this fortress.
Yeah. Jadi kami berdua basically we love history, but ancient history.
Ancient
Jadi
history. Yeah.
basically itu kita berdua tuh penyuka sejarah. Jadi tapi sejarah ancient, tahu purbakala yang kayak sejarah kuno seperti itu, bukan modern sih. It's not a modern, but ancient history.
Yeah, you may see in Algeria, for example, the Natural History Museum, like what I mentioned before, and or the historical museum, the history museum, modern history museum.
Di sana
All of them are the same price.
di sana kalau harganya sama aja.
Even a real fortress. There is Spain real fortress in Iran is on the mountain. It's Spanish fortress. I think it's on the era of 1,600 or between 1,600 or 1,700. It's 18th century, 17th century. Spanish fortress, and the hall is very big, many stairs, many floors, and larger than this place. And the entrance is 2,000 with a guide.
Kebanyakan di sana adanya 2.000 sampai 5.000 udah plus guide gitu. Di sini mahal. So here the museum is expensive.
Yeah, it's expensive, super expensive. But I see it's quite modern and they took care of everything. It's good.
Di sini bagusnya lebih mahal, iya, cuman bagusnya karena terawat dan lebih jadi kelihatan bagus view-nya.
But for Indonesia level style, maybe it costs him it's higher than his ability to pay.
I don't know.
The average of
Kalau misalnya
cost living in Indonesia, they cannot pay for this price, 20,000. No.
I don't know, but maybe for some people.
In Algeria, they make it very cheaper to facilitate generation to recognize their history and everything about that country. They make it very cheap to make all the people come to see. But
Yeah,
even
jadi-
though rarely people they are not interested a lot.
Jadi museum-museum di sana itu dibikin semurah mungkin buat narik pengunjung datang, tapi tetap aja nggak terlalu banyak pengunjung yang datang. So basically aku sama dia itu walaupun kenalnya itu sebentar, lebih banyak kenalan waktu nikah, itu kita tuh kayak mungkin namanya jodoh ya. Jadi kayak kita itu suka hal-hal yang sama banyak hal. So I said that you and me, even we know each other very short time until we decided to get married, but maybe because of fate or destiny that actually we have a lot of things in common.
Yeah. You make super large transition from the museum to a love story.
Aku kalau ngomong memang gitu. Jadi dia bilang dari museum langsung pindah ke kita berdua. So that's me.
Yeah. The next time we can make the story.
No, it's okay. I told them so.
You prepared this now.
Itu sejarah kita. I said that this is our history. It's related to history.
It's related to Indonesian history.
To Indonesian history. Okay?
Yeah. They must write it here in this fortress.
Aku bilang ya, nggak jaminan kalian tuh kenal lama sebelum menikah sebagai masa apa sih? Masa apa ya? They call it, I don't know what they usually call it, pengenalan lama. Terus jaminan kalian nikah, terus hal-hal yang sama yang kalian tahu sebelum kalian nikah, terus tiba-tiba kalian butuh waktu lama untuk menikah, kayak gitu. Kadang belum tentu jaminan juga kalau misalnya kalian tuh bakalan nikah walaupun kalian udah kenal lama, mungkin punya banyak hal yang sama atau nggak sama. Itu nggak jaminan. I said that even though that you have a lot thing, you spend a lot of time before marriage to know each other, and then you think that you have similarity and you have differences, but you will land to a marriage. It doesn't guarantee.
Yeah. You told them that there is mango.
It's 100% different.
There is a tree of mango, by the way. There. Where is my finger? I want to change the topic.
Dari museum, terus aku terus historinya kita, terus tiba-tiba jadi mangga.
I don't know, this tree is belong to Dutch era, what?
It belong to Indonesia. Jadi pohon mangga ini milik negara Indonesia. Crazy. Oke, so sampai jumpa lagi ya di episode selanjutnya.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next episode.
Kalau misalnya pengen request ngomongin masalah
apa? It will take a long time this video, so we don't want you to disturb you.
This is one of your hobby to disturb people.
So see you.